you know what crypto smart money buying is? If not, let me know. I'm about to talk to you about it today. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, I do this for education purposes only, so let's get straight in. Now, smart money in crypto is what I want to be talking about. So smart money refers to the capital that institutional investors, central banks, and other professionals or financial institutions control. It is managed by expert investors who can foresee market trends and make most of their profits. Smart money was originally a gambling term where it refers to the gamblers that have extensive knowledge of the activity that they wager on or have insider information that the common public is not able to access. Even crypto serves a purpose, okay? A general purpose currency as a dApp development and deployment platform. dApp stands for decentralized app, guys, that's DAPP. As a blockchain oracle and so on, in addition to their primary roles, each crypto is also available as an investment. That's the crypto market, guys. Beyond buying coffee with Bitcoin, beyond finance apps running on Ethereum, beyond oracles and NFTs and blockchain powered games, there is a crypto market and a moderated marketplace for buying, selling, swapping, and storing cryptocurrencies. Now let's move on to Bitcoin investment, okay? Investors and speculators became interested in Bitcoin as it grew in popularity. That was in between 2019 and 2017. Cryptocurrency exchanges emerged that facilitated Bitcoin sales and purchases. Speculative investors have been drawn to Bitcoins after its rapid price appreciation in recent years, and Bitcoin had a price of $7,167.52 on December 31st, 2019. Then a year later, it had appreciated more than 300% to $28,984.98 cents. It continued to surge in the first half of 2021, trading at a record high of $68,919. But then in November 21, it fell over the next few months to hover around 40,000, as it was mentioned in this article. Now, the price started to drop and has continued to drop for most of 2022 coming into 23 that we're in right now. Now, Ethereum, on the other hand, should you buy it or should you not? To buy or not to buy seems the question on many people's minds. To answer lies in an understanding it and knowing how you're going to use it. For instance, if you want to shop and make a purchase online with fewer entities, knowing what you're doing, Ether is an excellent way to do so. You only need to purchase the amount you think you'll need to spend it online retailer that accepts it. However, make sure you factor in the transaction fees Ethereum charges. You must pay a few dollars in fees in the convenience plus sales tax. I'll tell you, them fees are not small. They can be big. If you're considering investing in Ether, please talk to a professional and do your own research, okay? Now, whether Ether is a good investment depends on your outlook. If you believe Ether's price will go up, you can tolerate cryptocurrency risk. And if you're investing money you can afford to lose, either might be a good investment or a bad one. It's always best to talk to a financial advisor, which we are not on this channel, before buying cryptocurrency to ensure you can withstand volatility. That's it from me, guys. Hit that like button, hit the bell, hit the subscribe if you love this channel, and I'm gonna see you next time.